Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 10 by 10 gallery wrapped here on my spinner that Greg actually just made this for me on his 3D printer. So I'm going to give it a test run and see how it works. So there's a 10 by 10 gallery wrap, and I think I'm going to do, I call it a sideways bloom or a beginner's bloom because I have a really hard time doing what Lisa Marvin does, blowing her blooms out so beautifully. I think I'm going to try and do it petal by petal. We'll see. Greg's going to throw some music on so we can sit back and enjoy while I mess things up. But we've got Fuchsia Forward color to go is the color I'm using. It's a really pretty fuchsia color. And then I put 2 Amsterdam paints with Amsterdam pouring medium. That's all that's in there. No water or anything. Let's see what kind of masterpiece we can create. And I'm also using the Amsterdam's typical white cell activator. It's just really thin. Fingers crossed. I'm out of practice with the bloom, so let's do one and see how we do. All right, hun, hit some music. Let's have some fun.
Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna know is how to hold on to it every moment. Dive into it like my love is an ocean. It's overflowing. I swear it's golden. So good that I'm rolling. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna do is move with me. I'm seeing blue, yeah. In a disco-colored room, hearts are blooming. It's so consuming. Love what you're doing, so good that I'm doomed, yeah. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. Na, 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 na. I got a good feeling. see clearly, no, it's really